Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So our parts finally came in to get this truck back together. We ordered a piston and a set of rings and a connecting rod quite a while ago. A piston did come in, but it was the wrong side that they sent, so we had to order the correct side for it. We did order the right side to begin with. It had the part number for a left bank piston, but had a right bank piston in the box. So we sent that back and got the correct one. So it is here now. So first thing we have to do is hone the cylinder to take out the old wear pattern so the new rings can make a fresh wear pattern in the cylinder. And to do that, we have a ball hone and we're just spraying some Varsol on it to lubricate it so it'll do its thing down in there. And then we have to gap the rings. So what that does is as the engine heats up, the rings will expand and contract. So if you don't have enough gap between the two ends, they'll expand, lock together, and start pushing out and just scrape your cylinder all to crap. So let's get that done and get this truck back together. Alright, so we got the cylinder honed out, we got the rings gapped. So what gapping the rings does is the ring expands and contracts as the engine heats up. So if you don't have enough end gap, when the ring expands, it'll actually lock up the cylinder. So we got that done. Now we're just popping the piston in with the piston ring compressor and the handle of a hammer. You don't want to use the metal part on it because you can wreck stuff pretty good. So you just tap it down light and she should pop right in.
Bryce, can you get me the longest screwdriver you can find?
Longest screwdriver.
Doesn't matter what it is, it's just...
So I got our piston in, connecting rod in, everything's looking good down here. So now I gotta put the oil pan back on and this cross member that goes across here, and then start putting everything together up top. Alright, so we got the head bolted down on, oil pan is back in. So now we have to put the valve train back on, injectors, upper valve cover, lower valve cover, injection lines, fuel rail, intake, Y-bridge. Yeah, still quite a bit to go on here, but we're getting there. So we got our valve cover on, injectors are in, fuel rails on, Y-bridge is in. Just got to hook up all the fuel lines, get the glow plug harness back in there, and hook up all the rest of the stuff. We're still coming along pretty good. So hopefully in the next little while, she should be back together. There we go. He's running. Runs good. No more knocking. No more eating coolant. This engine should be good to go. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.